Howdy, partner. Grandma Donna here today, cooking in the RV. The dish for today is Cowboy caviar. You can fix it a couple of ways. Stick around and watch me put it together. Afterwards, I'll show you how we're going to use it. Okay, we're going to get started by taking a small saucepan, heating it up. In that, we're going to add some sugar. We want to put our oil in there. I'm using vinegar, and it's white wine vinegar. You can use any vinegar that you want. It's your choice. Okay, stir it up, bring it to a boil, and set this aside to cool. In the meantime, we want to add pinto beans, black eyed peas, and white shoe pig corn. Stir that all up, get it mixed up good. Chop up some onions real fine, about a half onion, something like that. We're going to add some jalapeno peppers. Now you can decide how you want to do this. It makes it very spicy. You might just want to remove the seeds too. That will help a little bit, but whatever your choice is, because this is very spicy. Now the cooled vinegar that you had setting aside, take that and pour that all over your mix. To that now we're going to add some color. We're going to do green bell peppers. Chop them nice and small. Red bell peppers, this gives it a beautiful color, putting all these different colors in. And orange bell pepper. Okay, stir that up, and now you want to put this into a Ziploc bag and marinate it in the refrigerator. This can be done 2 to 3 hours before. Overnight is better, but when you pull it out, there you go. Put your chips on the side and you have a wonderful dip. Yee-haw! Let me tell you, that's some spicy dip. Now, if you've been following us on Instagram, you can find out how we make that special chip. So come over and take a look. For the rest of the recipe, down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh, it comes out.
You've been doing a dance. Woo-hoo! That's some hot dip.